Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to publish post or articles on WordPress website. Let's start. First of all, log into your WordPress website. Enter username here. And enter password here. And go open admin panel of your site. This is my admin panel. To publish a post. Now click on Posts. And click on Add New. Now write your post title here. I have already write an article on Microsoft Word. Copy its title. And paste it in WordPress post. Now copy your article. And paste in WordPress. Now click on Featured Image. Now click on Select File. Select an image. And click on Set Featured Image. Now click on this plus button. And add an image section. Now click on Upload. And select an image. Now align it center. Resize it as you want. And add caption here. Now click on this Publish button. Click on Visit Site. You can see post is published. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing my channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.